So you might have come across the news that Warren Buffett has put a lot more money into Occidental Petroleum, and you'll know also that tactically I've been looking at the energy sector. What does this mean? What is going on? Should we also be looking at the stock? That's what I want to cover. There you go. Another $8.5 billion into that company. That's the total value of his holding, 16%. That's a sizable chunk to own of any company. What's my take on it? Well, that's the Occidental Petroleum chart that I want to show you. What you can see here with the H's, that means analysts have said hold. B means analysts have said buy. You can see it's a mixed bag. They'll often say buy when it's falling and sell when it's about to rocket. What has indeed happened is we've got this upward trend here. Should the market continue lower, and these stocks have fallen, the energy stocks have fallen quite sharply over the last past week, then it might have another 30% to go to the downside. The worries being that oil prices are coming down. Seems somewhat premature to have battered these stocks so much so quickly. Nevertheless, there we are. However, if we have now hit the bottom and we continue on the upward trajectory, then you'd be seeing about a 37% return within the next year. That's what Warren Buffett is expecting. It's what he is anticipating. He is anticipating that in the next 12 months, it'll go back to its highs. It will generate about a 40% return for him. He, as the type of investor he is, even if it were to fall another 30% and go to that lower line down here that I'm drawing, that would not bother him. Why would it not bother the man? I should zoom in so you can see things closer. Because, as you know, he tends to hold for the long term rather than trade his investments. That's an update on Warren Buffett and where we are with his views on energy. Do follow, like, subscribe, hug the screen, all those things to get more updates. Thank you very much.